Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're asking a pretty wild question about the physical side of AI. So, a viewer named Sarah asked, what if each parameter in an AI model weighed just 1 gram? Let's do it. Okay, let's start with a big one, GPT-4. It's got a reported 1.8 trillion parameters. At 1 gram each, you're looking at a mind-boggling 1.8 million metric tons. To give you an idea of how heavy that is, well, it's just a staggering amount of mass. And remember, these things don't just float in space. They have to run on servers and data centers. That much weight? Yeah, the whole building would just sink right into the ground, a giant crater. But of course, it's not just GPT-4. What happens when you add more models to the mix? Just the top 10 major AI models combined, that's 15 million metric tons. That's like every single car in New York City, all piled up in one spot, crushing the Earth's crust. And it gets crazier, because AI models are copied all the time, right? People download them. So you download a 70 billion parameter model and bam, you've just downloaded a naval destroyer. Your laptop would, punch a hole straight through your floor. And your house. All this concentrated weight would actually be enough to mess with Earth's rotation. Our days would literally change. But that's just the weight sitting still. The real problem? Training these new models. Training means physically moving all those weighted parameters, billions of them, thousands of times a second. The energy and heat from that. Catastrophic. We're talking melt the city-level energy release. Okay, let's get really absurd. AI models are doubling in size every year. Let's project that forward. In 40 years, the model is heavier than Earth. And then it collapses into a black hole. And this AI black hole would start out tiny, less than a centimeter across. But it would grow fast, swallowing everything, leaving just a black hole with perfect grammar. You just know its last message would be something like, actually, could you clarify your question? So the point is pretty clear. If AI parameters actually had mass, this trend would just end the world. It's a wild idea, but it's a powerful way to visualize the immense scale of what's happening behind our screens. So the next time you're worried about AI, maybe just be grateful that it's weightless.